Hey there. After going through the 9 units so far, we have learned about the foundations of IT. However, while beginning to learn any subject, it is important to keep the latest developments in sight. It is amazing how this field has grown, giving us mind-boggling miracles constantly. Plus, knowing this is going to make you sound pretty smart, smile. Let's go through some terms and concepts that are the emerging trends of the industry. Get ready to widen your horizons. Artificial intelligence is the intelligent behavior of software that can take decisions and improve over time by learning from experience. Examples of its application are software like Alexa and Cortana. Uber is teaming up with Mercedes-Benz to create a self-driving Mercedes. Complex big data applications also are examples of artificial intelligence. The idea is to do something like this. The blockchain can be simply described as a complete list of transactions. Consider the below steps in the case of a Bitcoin transaction. Thus, it is difficult to forge or perform fraudulent transactions, since the network is private and each transaction public to all the members of that network. Consider the below steps in case of a Bitcoin transaction. A user requests a transaction. The request is broadcasted across the network. The network validates the user's status and authenticity. Once verified, a fresh entry is made in the list of transactions, i.e. a new block is added. The transaction is complete. Each block or entry is permanent and unalterable. This is a service offered by technological service providers like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, etc. It provides a way for software developers to create their code without having to maintain servers. They can change usage from one server to multiple within minutes. They only need to pay for as much as they use. This is much more convenient than buying servers and risking underutilization. Yeah, it's pretty neat. This one is pretty simple. It refers to the trend of increasing usage of cell phones to perform all functions of a laptop or desktop computer. Mobile phones nowadays are very powerful, and using them for transactions like online shopping, banking, etc. has become a norm. Being mobile first means that a company must make sure that their websites and applications are compatible with laptops, desktops, and mobiles alike in order to grow their business. Have you ever been in a meeting, taken your own notes for later and never looked at them again? That later is not likely to come, but you still hold on to them. Companies do this with data too. Data of customers that was useful years ago, or just about every kind of data about the customer, may not be helpful today, but is still stored, taking up valuable company resources. This comparatively useless data is called dark data. Dark data must be eliminated for the company to control costs and run an efficient data center. With the Internet of Things, the physical world will become one big information system. Multiple devices today are connected to the Internet and can communicate with other devices such as your phone, or amongst each other. These include mobile devices, wearables, consumer and home electronic devices, automotive and environmental devices. The new focus of technology will be to design a user experience out of a network of such devices, creating an internet-connected form of reality. A wonderful application of this is shown in the movie Her, directed by Spike Jonze. Makes a great watch. Much of the analysis of data in the past has been retrospective. Data was collected, say, during the summer of 2007, analyzed, and then the outcomes were implemented in the summer of 2008. Now the business need is to collect data and analyze it instantly, so that insights from it can be used instantly. The trick is to have computer systems configured in such a way so as to make this possible. All of the buzzwords discussed are complex and entail long descriptions. This was an effort to sum them up, but do go ahead and read our other, more detailed, material to get a better picture. Before that, let's answer a few questions. That was great. Well done. This brings us to the end of our module. We hope you enjoyed our course and have learned some new things too. Remember, this is only the beginning. There's a lot more to learn and discover in the vast and exciting world of information technology. Hope to see you soon.